Well, our next stop, we are in Upland, California. The weather continues to get better and better, and we are going to give you a tour of Stoker's Hot Rod Factory. Now, these guys always have something killer for sale. Great rides. We've listed a lot of cars for them, but let's take a look inside and see what we can find here today at Stoker's Hot Rod Factory. So one of the things we're going to show you here is a couple cars actually for sale here at Stoker's. They have a great steel 3-window coupe, all original Henry Ford. We'll give you a walk around on this. You can contact David here at Stoker's on this car. Henry Ford body. It is a chop top, but all steel. So take a look at this car, and then we're going to show you another Cadillac inside that's for sale here as well. So give a look at this one. Call David at Stoker's Hot Rods on this 32. So let's take a look at this 32 for sale. We're going to show you inside. So again, contact David here at Stoker's Hot Rod. Great original 32, all steel. It is a chopped top, but inside, doors open and shut, close. Real nice. You got a nice room inside. Old Stuart Warner gauges. So you'll see the doors. You'll hear the real steel, new wheels and tires, but just a real nice old hot rod that someone can hop in. This one is listed at $85,000, so $350, $400, original Ford body and fenders. So just a killer car, and then we'll show you inside here as well at this Cadillac that is for sale. So this one's riding on the Art Morrison chassis. You can see this car for sale. Beautiful restoration. So again, contact Stokers, call David on either of these cars for sale. They also have another Roadster here for sale as well. We'll show you that here in a few minutes. But let's take a walk around their shop. Again, located in Upland, California. We're going to give you a quick tour and just show you around some of these cars and their shop. So let's keep walking. So here's their other Roadster for sale. So original body, fenders. You'll see the chassis by Dan Woods, built in the early 70s, 350. This one's listed at $67,500. So all steel car. And we'll show you a few others inside that I really like here. Another 3-window, beautiful. So these guys always have something for sale. So let's take a look at this 3-window in here. I think, Nathan, do you think we can steal the 3-window out?
Yeah, we can get that. Plenty of room.
No one would know that we're pulling out with this. Wow. The name is really fitting when you think about it. Hot Rod Factory. This place is definitely a hot rod factory, and they do build cars here. David said that they really kind of do everything except the paint and body and interior. But not only do they always have something cool for sale, but they they build cars, they sell cars, and this place is really cool here in California. Just another great stop.